So here we're adding mixed numbers. We have 3 and 1/3 plus 2 and 1/3. So we can start by adding the fractions together. Remember, when we add fractions, we keep the denominator the same and just add the numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have 2/3 as our fraction. Now we need to add our whole numbers, and 3 plus 2 is 5, so our answer is 5 and 2/3. Now 2 and 4/9 plus 1 and 1/9. So we can start by adding our fractions, so we keep the denominator the same, and 4 plus 1 is 5, so our fraction is 5/9. Now we add our whole numbers, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so our answer is 3 and 5/9. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.